Windows are more than just openings in the wall. They play an important role in enhancing the beauty of the interior and exterior of your house, and can also help to make your home more energy efficient. So whether it's your small bathroom windows or the large windows in your living room, you need to make sure that you're getting the most out of them. Landmark Construction Crew is a BPI certified windows installation contractor in Los Angeles that has been installing windows of all kinds for both residential and commercial clients for over 10 years. Landmark Construction Crew can install and replace different types of windows, such as energy-efficient windows, awning windows, bay windows, casement windows, Palladian windows, and double-hung windows. We offer affordable window installation and replacement services in Los Angeles, Orange County, and San Fernando Valley. Call for a free on-site consultation and estimate today, or visit us on the web for more information. Landmark Construction Crew, your contractor for life.